You're trying to watch your favorite YouTube videos or animations online, and suddenly you get this message. This video file cannot be played. Error code 224003. It's so frustrating, right? Most people assume their internet connection is the problem, but in many cases, that's not actually what's causing error 224003. Hi everyone, welcome back to the 4DDG. Error code 224003 is usually caused by browser settings, extension conflicts, hardware acceleration issues, outdated browsers, or even a corrupted video file. Let's start with the easiest solutions first. Method 1. Clear your browser cache. If you're using Google Chrome, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. Next, go to Privacy and Security. Then click Clear Browsing Data. Select Cached Images and Files and click Clear Data. Your browser stores temporary files to help websites load faster, but sometimes those files become outdated or corrupted, which can prevent videos from loading properly. Once you've cleared the cache, restart Chrome and try playing the video again. Method 2. Disable browser extensions. Browser extensions can sometimes interfere with video playback. The most common troublemakers include ad blockers, privacy protection extensions, VPN extensions, and recently some AI-powered browser extensions. Temporarily disable all extensions and refresh the video page. If the video starts working again, one of your extensions is causing the problem. You can then re-enable them one by one to find the culprit. Method 3. Try Incognito mode. Here's a quick test I use all the time. Open the same video in an incognito window. Incognito mode disables most extensions and ignores existing browser cache. If the video works there but not in your normal browser window, you've confirmed the issue is definitely related to cache or extensions. And now you know exactly where to focus. Method 4. Disable hardware acceleration. This fix is surprisingly effective. Hardware acceleration allows Chrome to use your computer's GPU to improve performance. However, it can occasionally create conflicts with video playback. Open Settings. Select System. Find Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Turn it off. Then restart Chrome. Once Chrome reopens, try playing the video again and see if error 224003 is gone. Method 5. Update your browser. Video playback technology changes constantly. An outdated browser can sometimes struggle with newer video formats or website updates. Make sure you're running the latest version of Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or whichever browser you use. Then test the video again. Method 6. Repair video with 4DDG file repair. If you're dealing with downloaded video files that are corrupted, whether they look blurry, have no sound, or just keep loading forever, you'll need a professional repair tool like 4DDG file repair. It's designed specifically to fix damaged or unplayable video files. You can use it not only for videos downloaded from YouTube, but also for footage from cameras, smartphones, and even video editing software. What makes it stand out is its AI-powered repair system. With just a few simple steps, it can help restore damaged videos and in some cases, even improve or upscale the resolution up to 4K or 8K quality. Here's how it works. First, download and launch 4DDG file repair. Then select the video repair feature. Click to add your damaged or unplayable video files. After that, just hit Repair All and let the software handle the entire process automatically. Once it's done, you can preview the repaired video to make sure everything looks correct before saving it. And if everything looks good, simply export the final repaired file. Just like that, your video is back to playing normally again. So that's all for today. And if you'd like more troubleshooting guides like this one, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.